would be great. My name's Chris. We've established that. There are others with that name. Sometimes more than one coincidental name. I have a little outline here, and
Did everyone get one of those? There are copies.
plenty of
up
copies
so
here, so take
pass
one
them out
down,
if you
pass it
didn't get
around.
Is it the same that was emailed?
Yes.
Yes, I know many people have it digitalized, or digitized, I suppose is the word. I don't know. You notice I don't have any bold print in the top, the first section, talking about developing single note technique. And I played some okay single note things and some bad single note things just to demonstrate what to do and what not to do. As I do with every solo, I like to give a little of both good and bad in everything I play.
Yeah, go ahead. Take it.
But so it's an entire separate masterclass to talk about single note technique. I think I want this masterclass, because there's just not enough time, to focus primarily on accompaniment, on chords, and on interaction within an ensemble, and on chorus and 60 cycle hum. So, that said, learn every scale there is multiple ways. Every single scale that will ever exist. There's only one in Western music. It's the chromatic scale, and then you just leave some notes out to create all the other scales. So, but you have to learn the chromatic scale really, really well to know what notes to leave out.